Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hakka people are very fond of pork. Before the days of refrigeration, pork was usually preserved with salt. Hakka people usually salted a lean type of black pork. Preserved salty pork can be stored for a very long time and can be steamed, baked, or fried. The pork is commonly served with a white vinegar sauce. A pinch of vegetables or garlic adds variety to the meat.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. You know what? I really miss Leo talking about food, so I really want him to do that again today in detail. 其實還是很想念你介紹美食。So what are you going to introduce to us today?
今天介紹這個呢，過年其實應該都可以吃到，那就是鹹豬肉。
鹹豬肉，
對，
鹹這個教過嗎？鹹豬哦，客家鹹豬肉。
是啦。
Oh, I love this. You know, it's the Hakka salty pork that Leo's going to introduce to us. It's one of my favorite dishes, actually. 其實為什麼它會這麼鹹呢？
就是以前的人可能就是沒有那個冰箱的設備嘛，過年過節啊，那有豬肉怕壞掉，所以就用鹽巴把它醃起來。
That's right. When you marinate food, meat especially, in salt, you actually prolong the shelf life, and you can actually leave it out for a longer time. In ancient times, when there was no refrigerator, that's the way to do it, to preserve it. 所以现在有冰箱就比较不需要弄那么咸了，对不对？
对啊。不过它的味道很特别啦，所以就是现在变成一个很特色的菜肴。我问你，你喜欢怎么吃？
我通常吃的就是炒的啊，还有炒蒜苗，是不是？
用炒
Yeah. The type that I normally have is stir-fried Hakka salty pork, and that's good enough. 我觉得已经很好吃。难道还有别的方式吃吗？
有啊，像我就比较喜欢用蒸就是用蒸过的。
You can also steam it, 蒸that means steam. 那应该会比较清淡一点咯。
对啊，因为蒸过之后，它那个咸味就没有那么強了。
Okay, so when you steam it, it's actually lighter in taste, but it's still on the salty side. 那难道也可以用炸的咯？
当然可以啊。
You can fry it as well, huh? So how do you say that? 怎么说？
用剖
剖，OK。
另外也可以用那个烤的。
烤。
用剖
啊，那不是听起来很像吗？剖
差一点点。
Okay, so you can grill it or you can fry it. Now these two terms actually sound alike in Hakka. When you're frying it, 炸的时候是
用剖
，but when you're grilling it,
用剖
that's 烤 ，all right？ 讲一次，
用炒用蒸用剖用剖
我这4道都要来哈，下次带来。
好
，That does it for today's talk about Hakka。
什么睇噶？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.